CapCut is one of the easiest editing apps you can use today. But don't let the simplicity fool you. CapCut is powerful, and with the right effects, you can edit like a pro. So here's the big question. Can CapCut create professional level edits? Yes, it can. And in this video, I'll show you how to unlock 4 of those pro level tools.
Welcome to Master It Now, where learning never stops. Simple, step-by-step tutorials to help you learn anything and master everything.
Let's start with effect number 1, color isolation. This effect keeps one color in your video and turns everything else black and white. It creates a clean, cinematic look, and you've seen it used in many high-quality video edits online. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Import your clip and drop it on the timeline. Step 2. With your clip highlighted on the timeline, go to the Adjust panel. Open the HSL controls. Step 3. Choose the color you want to highlight. For example, blue. Increase the saturation of the blue slider. Increase the saturation of the cyan slider. Make that color pop. Then lower the saturation of all the other colors. Take them all the way down. And that's it. You've created a clean and professional color isolation effect. Fast, simple, and perfect for making your edits stand out. Now let's move to effect number 2, the light sweep effect. This effect can make even the simplest object look sharp, modern, and professional. Here's how to create it. First, add your clip to the timeline. Then make a duplicate. Press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Click the duplicated clip. Go to the Adjust panel. Open the Curves tab. You'll see a white graph at the top. Gently raise the curve until your object becomes bright, almost glowing. That's the look we want. Now, go to the Video panel. Open the Mask section. Choose Film Strip. Rotate it to -45 degrees. Set the size to around 45. Increase the feather to about 30. You can adjust these numbers depending on your shot. Next, let's animate the sweep. Move to the start of your clip. Add a mask keyframe. Drag the mirror mask to the top left corner. Then move forward about 1 second. Drag the mask to the bottom right corner. This creates the sweeping light motion. If the movement feels stiff, don't worry. Smooth it out by adjusting the keyframe speed graph. After that, select both clips and compound them together. Add a glow effect to give the light more impact. You can also drop in a few simple overlays in the background, just to add extra texture. And that's it. Clean, modern, and super professional. Effect number 2, complete. Now let's move to effect number 3, the spotlight mask effect. It looks like a complex animation, but it's actually very simple to create. Start by adding a black background layer to your timeline. Then add a text layer to your timeline. Type in your title or phrase. I'll use CapCut. Then customize the font and choose your color. I'm using yellow for this example. When you're done, select both, right-click, and select Create Compound Clip. Next, open the Video panel. Go to the Mask section. Choose the circle mask. Make the circle a bit smaller and increase the feather to around 60. This gives the edge a soft, smooth glow. Now let's animate the spotlight. Add a keyframe at the start of the clip. Position the circle mask at your first location. Move forward in the timeline, add another keyframe, and slide the spotlight across different parts of the text. This creates the sweeping motion. Near the end of the clip, add a size keyframe. Then at the final frame, increase the mask size. This gives the effect a clean, cinematic finish. For smoother movement, right-click the clip and select Show Keyframe Animation. Then adjust the Position X and Position Y graphs. Apply a cubic out curve to make the motion softer and more dynamic. Finally, add a glow effect to make the spotlight pop even more. And that's it. A clean, smooth, professional spotlight animation. Effect number 3, complete. Now, let's move to our 4th and final effect, the cinematic intro. This one looks stylish, bold, and perfect for titles. Start by adding a text layer. Type in your title, your name, or anything you want to highlight. Choose a clean, professional font. You can adjust the color, the stroke, and the shadow if you want, but for this tutorial, we'll keep it simple. Open the Effects panel, apply the Cinematic 3D effect, then right-click the clip and create a compound clip. Next, go to the Mask section. Choose the Film Strip mask. Rotate it to -55 degrees. Adjust the width so the strip isn't too wide or too tight. Then raise the feather to around 70 to get that smooth, blended transition. Now, let's animate the mask. Add a mask keyframe at the very beginning. Place the mask at the top left corner. Then jump to the end of the clip and move the mask to the bottom right corner. This creates the diagonal cinematic sweep. Switch to the Basic tab. Add a transform keyframe. At the start, set the scale to 80%. At the end, bring it back to 100%. This gives you a slow, subtle, cinematic zoom in. Right-click again, create another compound clip, and now add a glow effect. Set the glow intensity to around 15 and increase the size all the way up. This adds depth and gives the intro a professional finish. And that's it. A smooth, clean, cinematic title animation. With these 4 effects, you're already leveling up your editing skills in CapCut. Each one adds a unique, polished touch to your videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and it keeps videos like this coming your way. I'll see you in the next one.